Alright, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to set up and create a Trackerbot account. So go to the link that's being shown on the screen, or click the link if there's a spot for me to put it somewhere. Or I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. But anyway, so go to that link and then you will end up here. So you're going to click log in and it'll take you here, and then you're going to want to go to create account. And then you just put in your email address. You're going to use a secure password, but I'm just using this guy. And how did you hear about us? Go ahead and enter Luke Profits right in there and click Create Account. Now we've created an account and we just need to link it to our stuff. So let's do that real fast. So add an eBay seller account. And it just wants me to sign in really quick. So I believe this is the password that I used for that. And you're just going to click sign in. And then you just got to authorize it. So you hit agree. Great. So Trackerbot is now linked to the eBay, and now we need to link it to Gmail. So Trackerbot uses your Gmail account to find out new tracking numbers. So essentially the way that this works is, since this is the email account that we have Amazon set to, whenever we get an email from Amazon saying, this order has shipped, and here's your tracking number, blah, 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 it needs to be able to read those emails to get the tracking numbers from Amazon. So we have to connect it to the Gmail. So let's go and add a Gmail. Boop. And then let's give it access, allow. I'm already signed in there, so I didn't even have to add a password. Awesome. So let's get started. Perfect. Okay, so that is how you create a Trackerbot account. Once you have items and you're ready to get started listing, you can buy a plan, which you would do here. If you're just starting off, then you're going to want to go with the one that includes Blue Care, so you can go with this guy. But yeah, so if you pay yearly, you can save a little bit, or if you pay monthly, that's fine as well. So the smallest plan you can get is the this one here, which is the business. And the reason these packages here don't work is because they don't include Blue Care Express, which is very important and like the main reason for using Trackerbot. So business is the plan that you should start with, or if you're bigger, you can use bigger ones. I have the baller plan. Anyway, business account is what you can use, so just click upgrade plan, and then you can go ahead and pay for it. But like I said, I'm in South Korea, so that's why this is in Korean. So anyway, I'm not going to do that right now. And then the next tutorial is going to go more into Trackerbot settings, sort of explaining the layout and all that stuff and what you should use and how it works. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you're new to dropshipping and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. It goes over everything you need to know about how to get started making money online. And the average person following my method makes around $500 to $800 profit per month after expenses for each 1,000-item eBay store that they have set up and running. They're really not that hard to get started. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started with hundreds of other dropshippers that you can join. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and click the notifications, and I'll see you back here with another video in a couple days.